Earthquakes are one of the most powerful and unpredictable natural disasters on our planet. These sudden and violent movements of the Earth's crust measured by seismograph can cause significant damage to infrastructure, buildings, and human life. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what causes the earthquakes. First of all, to understand earthquakes, we need to understand the Earth's crust. It is made up of several layers from the inner core to the Earth crust. These large tectonic plates float on top of the Earth's upper mantle with around 100 kilometers thick. As Earth's tectonic plates are constantly moving and interacting with one another, they can trigger earthquakes. In fact, there are three primary types of plate boundaries, each with unique movements that shape our planet. Let's start by the divergent plate boundary. It occurs where two tectonic plates move away from each other. This movement creates a gap between the plates, which is filled with molten rock from the mantle below. As the molten rock rises and cools, it solidifies to form new crust. This process is known as seafloor spreading and is responsible for the creation of new oceanic crust. One example of a divergent plate boundary is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a long underwater mountain range that runs along the center of the Atlantic Ocean and are part of the longest mountain range in the world. Specifically in Iceland, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge passes across the country, which is a popular place destination for tourists. Diverging plates also occur on land, such as in the East African Rift System, which is a series of rift valleys located in East Africa. In this case, the diverging plates are pulling apart and creating a rift valley that is gradually widening. Next, convergent plate boundaries occur where two tectonic plates move towards each other. This can result in one plate being subducted, pushed down, beneath the other plate, or in the plates colliding and crumpling up into mountains. The intense pressure and friction generated by the movement of the plates can result in large earthquakes. One example of a convergent plate boundary is the Himalayan mountain range, which was formed by the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. Finally, transform plate boundaries occur where two tectonic plates slide past each other horizontally. The movement of the plates can cause significant friction and pressure, resulting in earthquakes. One example of a transform plate boundary is the San Andreas Fault in California, where the North American plate and the Pacific plate are sliding past each other. In summary, the movement of tectonic plates at plate boundaries is the cause of earthquakes and all damages associated, but also responsible for many of the geological features we see on Earth, including mountains and oceans. By understanding the different types of plate boundaries and their movements, we can better understand the dynamic nature of our planet. We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.